Hello viewers, welcome to SS tutorial. In our previous video, we have learned about normal left side of temperature, where we have learned how temperature decreases with increase in altitude in the troposphere. But it does not happen all the time. In some conditions, temperature increases rather than decreases with the increase in altitude in troposphere. It is totally opposite condition of normal left side of temperature. This is called inversion of temperature. Today in this video, we will know in details about inversion of temperature. So let's begin. At first, we will know the favorable conditions which is responsible for inversion of temperature. Let's know them one by one. Winter night must be long. If night is long, then loss of heat by terrestrial radiation from the earth during night will be greater than incoming solar radiation. Night sky should be clear and cloudless. Loss of heat from terrestrial radiation will be faster without any obstacle if sky is cloudless and clear during night. Air movement must be slower. If air movement is slow, then mixing of heat does not occur in different layers of the atmosphere. Dry air should presence near the earth's surface. Dry air near the surface of the earth limits absorption of the radiated heat from the earth's surface. There should be snow-covered ground. If ground is snow-covered, then it maximizes the loss of heat through reflection of incoming solar radiation. All these conditions are responsible for the temperature inversion. Now we will know types of temperature inversion. There are 4 types of temperature inversion. They are ground inversion, valley inversion, subsidence inversion and frontal inversion. Let's know them one by one. Ground inversion happens in the long winter night with clear sky. If night is long and sky is clear, then loss of heat by the terrestrial radiation of the earth will be greater than the incoming solar radiation during day, as daytime is short. That's why temperature near the ground will be cooler than the above, which creates inversion of temperature. Let's know valley inversion. Valley inversion happens due to radiation and air drainage or katabatic winds in the mountain. During night, upper part of the mountain slope cools off faster than the lower part of the mountain slope, as rate of terrestrial radiation is maximum in the upper part of the mountain slope. So, air near the upper part of the mountain slope becomes cooler and heavy due to contact of cool surface. Then this cool and heavy air starts to move downward due to gravity, which is known as katabatic wind, and accumulates in the valley floor. And also this cold and heavy air pushed warm and light air upward, which were in the valley. That results cold air in the valley floor and warm air in the above, and caused inversion of temperature. Let's know subsidence inversion. When mass of air descends from the higher altitude, it is warmed at the dry adiabatic rate of 10 degrees centigrade per 1000 meter because of compression and increase in atmospheric pressure. Thus, a zone of warm air forms above the cold layers of air, which results in inversion of temperature. Such types of inversion is generally associated with the anticyclonic conditions. Let's know frontal inversion. Frontal inversion happens in the temperate region, where westerlies and polar winds meets together. When winds of two different temperature and density meets together and creates front, then cold polar air pushes the warm westerlies upward along the front, as polar air is heavier than the westerlies, which causes temperature inversion. Hope all these 4 types of inversion of temperature is clear to you. Let's know impacts of inversion of temperature. Though inversion of temperature is a local and short durational conditions, yet it affects weathery conditions of a place. Let's know how inversion of temperature affects weathery conditions as well as people and economy of that place. Due to temperature inversion, dust particles and smoke remains hanging in the air and create pollution. Inversion of temperature causes the stability of the atmosphere, as there is no transfer and mixing of heat, which stops the vertical movement of air. Inversion of temperature causes fog and smoke, which reduced visibility in the air that affects transportation. Temperature inversion causes less rain or no rain because the cloud cannot reach high enough, which affects on agriculture. Due to temperature inversion, heat transfer from the ground is minimal, so diurnal temperature variation also minimum. Sometimes temperature inversion causes heavy thunderstorm and tornadoes, as the energy trapped high up in the atmosphere. That's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please press the like button and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.